Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your skills with Lynda step by step clearly. Visit the official lynda.com website or open the LinkedIn Learning app if you have a subscription. Create an account if you haven't already, providing your email and setting a password. Explore the vast library of courses available on the platform. Use the search bar to find specific skills or topics you want to improve. Filter the results by category, level, and duration to find courses that suit your needs. Select a course that interests you by clicking on its title. Review the course description and objectives to ensure it aligns with your goals. Check the ratings and reviews from other learners for additional insights. Start the course by clicking the play button on the first video. Follow along with the videos, taking notes on key concepts and techniques. Pause and replay sections if you need more clarification on specific topics. Engage with any quizzes or exercises included in the course to reinforce your understanding. Consider downloading course materials or resources provided by the instructor. Participate in any discussion forums or Q&A sections to connect with other learners. Set a dedicated schedule to consistently work on your chosen courses. Monitor your progress through the platform's tracking features. After completing a course, apply the skills you've learned in real-world situations. Seek feedback from peers or mentors to assess your improvement. Continue exploring additional courses to build on your newly acquired skills. Regularly revisit completed courses to refresh your knowledge as needed. Stay motivated by setting new learning goals and challenges. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.